right, guys. Here is the beautiful blueberry muffin cake. This is what we got here.
Smells good.
And it was in my oven about 45 minutes, I think. I can't remember if it was 45 or 50, but that's what we'll put, 45 or 50 minutes, because I kept adding time. So I was like, oh, I lost track. And you know, I can't never keep track of anything. If my head wasn't attached, I'd lose it too. So we're going to take some of our icing or glaze. And I do want to tell you that when I made it, I used lemon extract. Don't do that. I mean, it was okay, but it wasn't the taste I was going for. So I remade it with some lemon juice, and that was a whole lot better. So I just wanted to clear that up. So I'll put lemon juice in the description on the ingredients. But I just wanted to tell you because I said extract on when I was doing it.
Yeah, and it did taste good.
It tasted okay, but it wasn't what we were going for.
Right.
So it's not the taste I wanted.
I'm not a big fan of lemon extract. So.
And he loves lemon, but...
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put some of that on there. And who don't like a blueberry muffin with streusel on top?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So good. That top is crunchy. A little bit of that lemon in that juice. You could even put some lemon zest or whatever inside the muffin.
Oh, yeah, that'd be good
if you wanted. But that's not what we were going for. We were going for blueberry muffin cake. And then we decided, oh, let's put lemon in the top. So I'm gonna get ready to eat again because I'm gonna eat this whole piece. So here's what the whole thing looks like. It was perfect on that springform pan. I don't like doing that. You just take the round of it off. All right, guys. So like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Blueberry muffin cake. Got it. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. And today we're going to make a blueberry muffin cake. Sounds good to us because we like blueberries. So first off, we're going to make a topping. So I've got a 1/3 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, plus 3 tablespoons. Okay? Put that in. And then I have 3/4 cup of just granulated sugar. I have 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And adjust that however you want, guys. If you want more cinnamon, you do more cinnamon. Okay? We'll mix this up a little bit. And then we're going to put in 6 tablespoons of room temperature butter. And we're making a little crumb for the top. Yum. Guys, it was 60-some degrees here yesterday and 34 today. And snow. We woke up to some snow on the ground.
Yucky.
So I got 6 tablespoons of butter right here. You know, we'll have to get our fingers in it and mix it all together.
Make it crumbly.
Yeah. Anybody got plans for vacations coming up? I know we're looking forward to spring coming. We've already been to Florida twice this year already. And because his brother's got a condo, so we don't have to pay for a place to stay. Which makes it nice.
Yeah.
Crocodiles or alligators or whatever they are out the back door. That's kind of cool. As long as they stay out the back door.
Well, you don't want them to come in and having a meal with you?
No.
Or maybe you could be the meal.
Yeah, that might be it. You make me a purse out of one. Oh, I didn't say that.
Or boots.
I didn't say that. All right. We're going to get our hands right down in here now. And you guys know the routine on this. It's just make a crumbly mix for the topping. So we're going to do this and get the ingredients ready for the cake. And we'll be right back. All right, we're getting ready to make the cake part of it. I've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour going in. We're just dumping everything together, okay? 3/4 cup of sugar. I have a 1/4 cup of butter, which is a 1/2 stick, room temperature, going in. 3/4 cup of milk. And we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla or so. I'm going to go ahead and mix that up real quick, a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to put in 1 egg. And I have 2½ teaspoons of baking powder right here going in. Like I said, everything's going in one bowl. Not much mixing to this or anything, guys. So easy. And 2 cups of blueberries. And I put some flour on them so they won't all sink to the bottom. And we're just gonna just fold those in. You don't want to mix them too much. All right, and we're going to pour them in. I'm using a springform pan, 9-inch springform pan. You can use a regular cake pan. You can use iron skillet, whatever you want. Just make sure it has room to rise. This is a stiff batter. Get that all around in there. And then I'm going to lose the end of my thingy here. Spatula, whatever it is. And we're going to sprinkle on our little crumbs that we made beforehand. Starting to look like a muffin now with a streusel top. All right. And then we're going to bake this at 375 for, we'll see how long it takes. About, I'm guessing 35, 40 minutes or so. So we're going to put it in 375, and when it comes out, we're going to make a topping too. We'll be back. All right, we're going to make some vanilla buttery glaze for the top of this. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter melted in here. I'm going to put in 1 cup of powdered sugar. And we thought that lemon extract would be good on the blueberry. So we're just going to put in, I better measure that because it might just fall right down in there. A teaspoon, because this is a tablespoon and I did half of it. And then we're going to put in a couple tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and see what we need from there. Because you know, this is a glaze and you just never know how much you need. Smells good, that lemon.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm going to need a little bit more.
Looks like it. You're going to be able to drizzle it.
Mm-hmm. Get this It's mixed up a little bit. All right. So I put 2 tablespoons. Let's put a third one. Maybe even just a hair more.
Mm-hmm.
So that's 3.5, I think.
Just gotta play with it.
Yep. As you say, like gravy. I think we're going to put 4 tablespoons.
You might even need 5.
I think this will do. I mean, if you wanted a little bit runnier.
Oh, no, that's probably good.
Yeah, you can do that. All right, so let's taste this.
And just dip it in them.
It's pretty good. Might want to cut back on the lemon just a little bit, but it's delicious. So we'll be back whenever we take the cake out.